if sin A is equal to cos A, 0 less than equal to A less than or equal to 90 degrees, then value of A is equal to sin A is equal to cos A. Sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. That is, sin 45 is equal to cos 45. A is equal to 45 degrees. Option D. If sin theta is equal to cos theta, then the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta is sin theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is equal to cos 45. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to tan square 45 plus cot square 45 is equal to tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 whole square 1 plus cot 45 degrees is equal to 1 whole square 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Option A. If tan theta is equal to 0, then the value of sin theta plus cos theta is tan theta is equal to 0. Tan theta is equal to tan 0 degrees is equal to 0. That is tan 0. Theta is equal to 0. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin 0 degrees is 0 plus cos 0 degrees is 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Option A. If tan A is equal to cot B, then A plus B is equal to tan A is equal to cot B. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, A is equal to 30 degrees, B is equal to 60 degrees. A plus B is equal to 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degrees. If tan A is equal to cot B, then A plus B is equal to tan A is equal to cot B. Tan A is equal to tan 90 minus B. Tan 90 minus B is equal to cot B. A is equal to 90 minus B. Rearranging terms, A plus B is equal to 90. Value of 2 tan square 60 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees is 2 tan square 60 degrees is equal to 2 into tan 60 degrees, that is root 3. Root 3 whole square is equal to 2 into root 3 whole square is 3 is equal to 2 3 is a 6. 1 plus tan square 30 degrees is equal to 1 plus tan 30 degrees, that is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square, that is 1 by 3. LCM 3, 3 ones are 3 plus 3 ones are 3, 1 into 1, 1 is equal to 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Therefore, 2 tan square 60 by 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to 6 divided by 4 by 3 is equal to 6 into 3 by 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are is equal to 9 by 2. 3 3s are 9 divided by 2.